Hello everyone, Steve like again, Real today. Here we are, middle of February 2014. What I'm going to talk about today is why I believe home prices are going to continue to go up. I just saw an article the other day that the new home price index has had its largest increase in Calgary in the last 6 years, and that is really significant, and it shows how strong the market is right now. However, whenever our market is strong, often I find people start to mention the word bubble or say, well, if it's going up, it has to go back down. And ultimately this is true, but I don't believe that's going to happen right now. I believe, mid-February 2014, I'll be talking to you next year afterwards, home prices are going to be higher. And here's why. First is this home price increases is not being built off changes to the mortgage rules. The previous time that we were up to these heights, and right now we are back to about 2007 levels. The previous time this happened, it was due to mortgage rule changes. The government came in, loosened mortgage rule restrictions. They said we went from 25-year mortgages to 30 to 35 to 40. Now we're going the opposite way. We've gone from 40 to 35, 30, 25. I don't believe the government's going to do any more mortgage rule changes in the near future, other than tightening up some loose language, shall we say, but no major rule changes. So the first reason I believe home prices are going to stay the same is because these increases are not due to mortgage rule changes. The second reason why is what I'm seeing happen with new home builders. They're becoming very frustrated with how the city is approaching new developments. And the city of Calgary is doing it because they realized how much money they were spending. It became a big issue in the last election, mayoral election, that they were worried about how much money they were spending to subsidize these new suburbs. And I read an article this week, and it's right along the bottom here, saying that new home builders are now going to pick up a lot of those costs. Of course, when they say they're going to pick up these new costs for sewage and utilities, what they of course mean is they'll pay for it first and bill it back to the customer. So what we're going to see then is higher prices for new home builders, for new homes, and that will take up the resale market with it. Obviously, if someone sees, well, I can buy a new home for $550, I should sell my resale, which is right beside, for at least $500. And maybe before they were selling for $475, and so we see this sort of effect where new homes are higher. It just takes resale up as well because people realize they can get more value for their current home. And the third reason that I believe that home prices will continue to go up is just the strength of the economy in Calgary. And this is always the one that I worry most about because I'm not an economist, and even people who've been studying the economy for years get this wrong. And obviously, before I even say this, if oil prices change, this would, of course, if oil prices go down, this would change. But realistically, the economy in Calgary is so strong right now, rents are being pushed up so hard that home prices have nowhere to go but up, provided oil prices stay the same, of course. So anyways, guys, those are the three reasons that I do believe that home prices will continue to go up. Mid-February 2014 here, and I am extremely confident that I'll talk to you in February 2015, 2016, 2017. Home prices will be higher than where they currently are. Not to say they'll be significantly way higher, double the price or anything like that, but they will be notably higher. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. I do want to say a quick shout out to my Bishop Carroll girls rugby team, Tani, all the girls there who support me and who all came out to practice and are showing a lot of heart this year, and I think it's going to be a great season. Okay guys, thanks a lot. Talk to you all soon. Bye.